In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I place my design on the muscle tanks on Printify.com. Alright, so first you got to go to Printify.com, and then you want to make an account. You want to go to Catalog. After that, you go to Women's Clothing. You want to go to Tank Tops. So in Tank Tops, you want to scroll below. You want to click on this one. It says Women's Flowy Scoop Muscle Tank by Bella Canvas 8803. This is the one I'm going to be using. So from here, we're going to choose a print provider. The only one that is available is Monster Digital. So we're going to choose Monster Digital. We're going to press Start Designing. Alright, so from here, I'm going to add my design. So I added my design, and I'm going to make sure to get the colors. Alright, so from here, I selected two colors. I selected this one and this one right here, just two of them. And I felt like the black one right here is unnecessary because there's a black one right here. So these are the two ones I'm going to be using for today. So from here on out, after I got the two colors right here, we're going to adjust this design. I'm going to try to make it as big as possible, and I want to go to the top area as much as possible. And then I'm going to align it, and I think that looks pretty good, and I'm going to save product. After that, you want to go to edit listing. Okay, so for the mockups, I'm going to leave this be, and then from here, we're going to go to title, and then we're going to type in the title. We're going to go to the bottom for the pricing. I'm going to do 60% profit margin. Doesn't matter what you use, but I recommend 60%. After that, you want to go to store details. I'm going to pretty much just leave all this as it is. Uncheck this, the third one right here, leave this, and I'm going to create a new shipping profile. But if you already created a shipping profile, I recommend that you click on the one that you already made. After that, press publish.